I would highly recommend that you use a selfie of you to put in the YouTube banner. And that's you in the Faceless channel. Okay. Next, you're going to want to go to the background. Right now, you're probably wondering why I have my image so small. That's because most of my viewers will be on the phone. So I'm going to prioritize the middle of this banner. A YouTube logo will make the most sense. That's my value proposition. Since I want this smaller, I prefer my favorite font to do this. It's an Anton font. See right here. Then I capitalize. And I'm going to just go right here. Alright, if you like this video, then you like this video on the screen now. So you can watch that. And I'll see